Hey guys, it's Ghost. Today I have this ginormous box in front of us. I found this giant lot of used LOL Surprise OMG dolls, and they were around like 10 bucks each, and that just does not happen here, because here if you get a brand new one in box, it ranges to about 40 to 60 bucks because import fees are stupid. So I was holding off on getting them, but then I found this lot secondhand. They have been played with by children, so they're a bit messy, and I believe some of them are missing their accessories, but I don't really care because I probably will customize some of them and keep some of them. There are some of the ones that I really wanted in here as well. So yeah, let's just open it up. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so here is everything. There's a bag of accessories, I'll put that aside, and then the bag of stands. Here's a couple of the dolls. Let me just take everything out of the box, and all like the hat boxes and stuff, and the rest of the dolls. Alright, just put that aside. Now, full disclaimer, I actually don't know the names of most of these dolls, so I probably won't be talking about that. Honestly, if I'm going to be completely honest, the names of the OMG dolls are kind of cringe, so I probably will rename them if I keep them in my collection. Let's see, what should we go through first? I guess we can go through the bag of accessories. Some of the dolls aren't wearing their shoes, and the other most of their shoes are going to be in here, and also some of them don't have their accessories on, and most of them will be over here. So there's also some mini dolls in here. I believe this one was a set with Midnight and stuff like that. I honestly am thinking about reselling some of these because I'm not a huge fan of the mini dolls, I'm going to be honest. Okay, some of them there's like spare outfits for some of them. And that one is hers. Okay, she's cute. But I think that's all the mini doll stuff. Yeah, that's the bigger dolls stuff. Some of them are bags and shoes. And I think this one is his, maybe? Yeah, there it is. I think that's how it works. And I believe the Midnight set also had a little sister, but I don't see her anywhere in this package, so I don't think they had her. Honestly, don't remember everything that was supposed to be in this lot, but I'm pretty sure this is everything, yeah. It also comes with the black light thing that was advertised. I think this one is one too? Yeah, right now. Okay, so that's what's in the bag of accessories. There's also like a change of clothes. It's either for the Midnight Boy or the Midnight Girl that they're missing here, and also like the spare pair of shoes as well. I might keep these because I do collect some LOL Surprise dolls, and I do appreciate having spare accessories. I do like how that looks. And then all the rest of the stuff in this bag is like the doll's shoes and stuff, and I'm going to try my best to piece everyone together so that they're back in shape. Alright, so let's just start down the line with over here. There's 3 dolls in this bag, and I'm not sure which line or which names these dolls are. They're honestly in better condition than I thought they were going to be. This one contains 2 of the dolls that I was interested in. Monochrome Girl was one that I was interested in since the very beginning, and I really wanted her. I think she's really pretty. And she's complete from what I can see, I believe. I might add some accessories from the pile. She is in really good condition. Her hair is so smooth and silky. It's a bit messy from being in the bag, but it's definitely not something I can't fix. And I believe like she had glasses, and for something, I can honestly find it from there and just accessorize her to my heart's content. And I also might give her a trim. Her hair at the end is a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun redesigning and just restyling all of these. Oh yeah, and also she has some really detailed hands. She has like really sharp nails and stuff like that. I think that's really nice. Something about OMG dolls is that they do have fully articulated arms, but their legs aren't articulated, which is honestly what put me off them at first. And I still hope that they will start articulating their knees in the future because that would be so cool. Another doll that I was interested in getting is this one. Now she's missing her tights, but I think it's on this girl because when I saw the stock photos for this girl, she wasn't wearing tights. So I guess the girl that previously owned her decided to put the tights on her instead. I can just get that. And I believe this thing also belongs to her, so I'm gonna just put that on. Yeah, that looks right. And also these, I think, telling from the patterns, I think these are hers as well, so just putting that on. Yeah, she's really cute. Her hair is slightly messier than this girl's. I should name them. Her hair is slightly messier than hers, so I'm gonna have to take a little bit more time cleaning that up, but she is also in pretty good condition, I think. She's missing her shoes. I'm gonna say her shoes are these? Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I'll probably mix and match some of them and see what happens. And finally, there's this girl. I wasn't too interested in her when I saw her stock photos, but seeing her in person, she actually looks quite nice. She definitely seems like something I would repaint, though. We'll see. And her hair is also in pretty good condition. It's very silky smooth. It's just very messed up from being in the bag. Her outfit is wonderfully detailed, and I think it's really cool. I'm kind of thinking maybe these glasses belong to her. I don't know. Honestly, I'm not too concerned about who the glasses belong to, who the accessories belong to. As long as they look good, I'll probably just put together whatever. Alright, so going down the line, the next bag is this one. Alright, so being completely honest, I'm not too interested in either of these dolls. They're okay. I think they're detailed and really beautiful. I'm just not a huge fan of how they look. And she is also, I believe, missing a crap ton of accessories. And I also can't figure out which shoes are hers. I'm pretty sure these shoes are hers, so I'm just going to put that on here right now. Alright, so her shoes are back on, so I think she's complete now. I don't know if she has any other accessories. She looks pretty complete by herself, so even if she does, I probably won't add anything. And as for this one, I really don't know which of these are hers. Like, there's a lot of shoes in here. We'll just have to go through a process of elimination and just put shoes on the ones I know are right, and then just give her whatever's left over, if there are any left over. And honestly, if any of these dolls are missing too much accessories, I might just customize them completely. She looks like one for that. Her hair is in really good condition though. I really like it. It is also a mess from packaging, and there's a little bit of product in it, which I'm not a fan of, but that's easy to fix. And next bag is this one. Now, I was really excited for this girl. I really wanted her when she came out. Again, she was just really expensive. She looks complete to me, but her pigtails are really messed up, so I'm gonna have to brush them out and redo them. All of her accessories are so detailed, and I love the color. It's so cute. Look at her shoes. And as for the next doll, I'm pretty sure these shoes are hers, so let's put those on her. Alright, there we go. Had to go off camera because it required a bit of elbow grease, but here we go. Honestly, out of all the dolls, I think her hair is in best condition. Although I think some of her braids are undone. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be, but I think she's in pretty good condition. And she also has a hat here. So let's just put that on. And she's back. And finally, it's this bag. Alright, so first of all, this girl is wearing the wrong tights, so I'm just gonna fix. Alright, once that's out of the way, I'm pretty sure these shoes are hers, so we can put those back on. And I'm pretty sure she's complete. I'm not sure if she has any of these other accessories. We're gonna have to figure that out. And finally, this one is one that I actually know the name of and one that I really wanted since the very beginning. This one is Midnight, and honestly, her presence made me buy this a lot, to be completely honest. I've wanted her for so long. It is just ridiculous, and I love her. She's so detailed. She's so cool. Okay, and these are her shoes. I'm gonna be completely honest, these shoes are so hard to tell right from left, and like they're so steep. Like I thought Monster High shoes had really steep heels, but no, these ones are really steep and so dramatic. I love it. And yeah, here is her hat. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to have like an elastic or something to hold it in place, but I can't find it. So that's here. And I believe she had like round glasses. I'm not sure if these are the right ones, but I guess we can put these on. I wonder if these can go on her hat or something. That would be really cool. There we go. And then just the lace veil in front. Okay, yeah, that looks really cool. And I believe this is her purse, so we could just give that to her. And yeah, there we have it. This is just my OMG Grail doll, so I'm so glad I have her. Okay, and when it comes to this one, I'm pretty sure these glasses are hers. So let's put that on her. There we go. And this one, I'm pretty sure is also hers, so I'll just put that there. Where is her elbow? Her elbow cannot bend because of how thick her jacket is, apparently. And her hat refuses to stay on, just like Midnight. Okay, I gave up. I looked up some stock photos, and this purse also belongs to her, so let's put that on her real quick. And apparently these glasses aren't hers, but she looks good with them on, so I'm gonna keep them there. And also this one's not hers. I'm gonna guess it's hers then? I guess. There's no one else it can go to, so I'm just gonna give that to you. And I believe these glasses are also hers. I'm gonna put these on her hat too. Oh no, it won't fit, so I'll just do that then. This hat needs to stop going onto her face. I think if I stand her up, she'll be fine. Alright, I just put the tights back on this one, and I feel like these shoes aren't hers, because I feel like that would be too much pink on her legs. But I honestly want her to be complete more than the other doll, so I'll just put these on her. Alright, the last part got off camera because I had to shove these shoes on somehow. She's really pink on the underside, but I think it looks pretty good. I feel like these glasses are hers, but I feel like she'd look better with pink ones. Just to even out the top a little, I guess. She looks really cute with these. I know these belong to the other girl, but she looks really cute, so whatever. Oh, and I think these are hers. So let's put those on her. Yes! Okay, so for her, I think this belt belongs to her. Her waist looks really empty, so I feel like she needs to have a belt. So I'll put this on her. By the way, I'm pretty sure I'm getting a lot of these accessories wrong, except for the Snowlicious ones. But I don't know how this is supposed to fit. I might have to bring out the pliers. Alright, went off camera because that was really difficult to do, but the belt is on. I don't know if it's hers, but it looks good, so yeah, that's where I'm gonna stop that. There's only a few things left here. I still don't know who this one belongs to. Anyway, let's just move on to this one. I'm pretty sure this bag is hers. So, I'm not sure why it's bent like this. She's supposed to wear it like this. I don't know why it's bent like that. Is that how you're supposed to wear it? Okay, I'm just gonna do that. And that's just how it's gonna be. I really like that this earring accessory actually kind of spins though. Oh, and it popped out. Put it back in. Like it spins like that. I think that's really fun. I have a feeling these glasses belong to her. I mean, she looks good with them. Let's go with that. And so now we have these accessories left. Oh, and also these pants. I put them off to the side. I think we can come up with something for her using this. So let's give that a try. I feel like these are spare outfits from one of the other dolls. We'll just put that to the side here. These are pants. I guess she can wear those. I feel like she doesn't actually wear long pants because of her long socks, but whatever. These pants are nice and stretchy. Alright, that's done. And then she could just wear this jacket, right? Do these dolls' hands come off? I feel like they should in order to put these tiny jackets on. Her claws are getting caught in the threads. Okay. And she honestly looks like a complete doll now. It's just that she doesn't have any shoes. Oh, and these. She can also wear these. I thought about it and I decided to remove these socks because I feel like they belong to this doll. Because they match her jacket. So I'm gonna put these socks on her and that should complete her look. Okay, so while I was putting these shoes on, I found out something that you probably have been screaming at me since I was complaining about the knees. They have bend and snap knees, apparently. Like the knees can kind of bend just a little bit. They snap in place. I guess that's interesting, but I would prefer a lot more movements than that. Also, yes, their hands can be removed, and this doll's hands were on backwards. I feel like some of the dolls do have backwards hands. I've noticed when watching little girls play with Monster Highs or any dolls whose hands can be undone, is that they tend to put them on backwards. So yeah. Now her hands are back on, and she's complete. Alright, so that was this doll haul. I am very satisfied with what I got, especially for the price that I got it at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know my commentary isn't that great, but I hope it was interesting anyway. I'm just gonna have some fun fixing the girl's hair and figuring out some place to display all these, because I honestly don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!